In this video, we're going to look at how to work with depth of field and using a way to blend images together. So depending on the type of camera you have and the settings and the lenses that you use, you're only going to have some areas in focus when you take a picture. And what if you wanted to have everything in focus, the deep background and the foreground, and you want everything in focus? Well, and if your camera doesn't do it, you can actually take two of the same exact picture, focusing on two different things, and then blend them together later in Photoshop. So let's see how to do that. First, let's do a file open, and let's open up the 06E start, the very last PSD file that we have for this lesson. You see we have two layers, one where the beach and the house are in focus. The other one, if I hide that, you'll see the glass is in focus, the background is blurry. So you see the difference there. There's also a difference in the way they were shot. They're not aligned. See how the glass kind of jumps to the left and right? We can fix that first. So what we're going to do is use Shift or Control click to highlight both the beach and glass layers. Then go to the Edit menu, and about halfway down or so, you want the Auto Align Layers option. You click that. Now we can use this in many different ways. We're just going to use the first option, Auto. Press OK. What this does is lined up the glass and all the other elements. So if I now hide the beach layer, you'll see the focus changes, but the glass does not move. It is exactly lined up with the other picture. Now that they're aligned, we can stack them and combine them. So make sure they're both still selected, both layers. Go to the Edit menu, and right below the option you just chose, you'll find Auto Blend Layers. This also allows you to make panoramic images. We'll use this option during a different project. For this one, we want to use the Stack Images option, and make sure that you have seamless tones and colors checked. We want that selected. What this is going to do is stack them on top of each other, blend everything to be in focus. So press OK. It works for a few seconds. Now you'll see we have masks and links here, and that these layers are now combined in that way and stacked together. Both the beach and the glass are now in focus, background and foreground. And this is a really nice way to blend layers together. The last step here is to make sure you save it as Glass Final. So let's do a file, Save As. This will be called Glass Final, and save it in the gallery folder for later.